The customer is always right. We've all heard it. It's meant to guarantee great service. But what it actually guarantees is burnout, resentment, and a toxic culture. This mantra forces employees to smile while being verbally abused. It empowers the 1% of customers who make unreasonable demands, draining time and resources from the 99% who are perfectly lovely. It's not a standard of service. It's a recipe for enabling terrible behavior. You know who you are. So what should you do instead? Shift the rule. The new rule is this: the customer's problems is always valid, but their behavior may not be. Your mission is to solve the problem with empathy and professionalism, but you also have a right and a responsibility to set boundaries against abuse. So listen intently to their issues, validate their frustration, do everything in your power to find a solution. But if they are disrespectful, demeaning, or hostile, you have full permission to politely but firmly disengage. You can say, "I want to help you, but I need to be treated with respect to do that." Protect your team, uphold your values, serve your customers brilliantly, but never at the cost of your own dignity. That's how you build a business that lasts.